Down in South Louisiana, Josh the Cajun is out fishing with his family. They are out in Jeff Davis Parish. Let's see what they catch.
It's a beautiful day out here, kiddo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Good day to be out there bass fishing, no?
Over there by that stump over there. Don't catch it though.
Man, I try not to.
We ain't trying to catch no damn wood out here. We're trying to catch fish.
Man. I got the worst luck, man. You don't know, okay? I probably would be the one to get the thump. I remember one time, man. I remember somebody went. I think it was you, man. You were little and you went to go get the jug line.
Jug line is an empty bottle with a bait, string, and a hook attached to it that Cajuns have been using for years as a way of fishing. Louisiana fishermen say that when it comes to eating, bass is the best fish, but it's the hardest ones to catch.
Man, I'll be crossing you line.
The weather in Louisiana can reach the high 90s to low hundreds, so it is very important for a fisherman to bring an ice chest full of cold beer whenever he gets thirsty.
We got a Katrina that's coming.
Heavy winds have them concerned a little.
Get out of here then, man, because I ain't playing today, okay? Nah, man. You think I'm about to get the,
Louisiana thunderstorms are very unpredictable and can come out of nowheres.
Man, at least there ain't no boat attacking me, man. Last time I went fishing by myself, man. Man, I swear, man, they had a bug. I think it was a damn hook. Man, it was just swimming out the damn, I said, man, they coming at me, man. It came right at me, man. I had to jump in the damn water. And then I was catching a little gator, playing with a little gator, and I forgot that damn thing went in the water. Some scary shit, man.
When Josh the Cajun isn't out doing Cajun things, he is studying marketing at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. UL is one of the only college campuses where you will be able to find live alligators right in the quad.
I go sit out at UL, man. We go play with the gators, man. They sit they right on the we got a little gator farm, They got like 5 of them in there, a lot of big turtles. Man, you get out of class and you just go sit on. That's why I go to UL, man. I gotta
Josh the Cajun says when it comes to bass fishing, there's a special technique you should use.
It's all about the rhythm. And the way you reel that in, you know. No, Kendall, you got to have the rhythm. Man, now come on, Kendall. We gotta catch us something. Man, Kendall, you coming to that fish fry Saturday?
Oh yeah, I'll be there.
Man, I got one going on every Saturday, it feels like, man. A lot of fish, a lot of fry, a lot of good times.
God will have good fun
On the bayou. That's all you know? Me and Kendall have been fishing since we were little. It's always been a fun time. We might not always catch fish, but it's always good to go out there and have a good time with your family. Man, don't even need that trolling motor, man. That wind be blowing so good.
Josh the Cajun and Kendall are leaving this fishing trip empty-handed, but they said they still had a good time, and a good time it was.